Hey everyone, so welcome to today's gadget series video. So I have purchased some gadgets from Meesho this time. All these gadgets are very small in size and is cheap but very much useful. So let's go. The first gadget that I have is a bulb. It's not a normal bulb that we use in our rooms, it's a portable one. So the use of it is when you walk at night through dark places where you can't see anything in front of you. It's a chargeable device and comes with a Type-C port. It has 3 modes where we can change its brightness levels too. So you can use this bulb when you are camping outside in a forest or any other place with your friends or families at night. Now the second one is a 4-in-1 charging cable. This charging cable comes with 4 types of ports. It has a Type-C port, it has a Type-A port, it has a micro USB port and also a lightning port too. Now you don't need different types of wires to plug in your different types of devices which have different types of ports. Now another good thing about the charging cable is we can change its length according to our preferences. We can expand it or reduce it according to our use. It's very much comfortable and very much worth it than the normal long tangling cables that we use. So it's a mandatory gadget that you must check out. Now the next gadget in a row is a remote control car. The car comes with a matte black finish color and also the quality is top notch. The car also have shock absorbers so you can drive this car at any rough or bumpy surfaces. The car is chargeable too and the remote that we get to control this car works on batteries. The texture of its tires is in such a way that it can climb on any surfaces easily. So if you're an adult and still love these remote control gadgets like me, you can purchase this one, or you should purchase this one, or you can gift it to any of your kids. So that is all about today's Meesho gadgets. So if you want to purchase any one of these, the link will be given in the description down below. So stay happy, stay safe, goodbye.